stage here. We're gonna have a pretty busy day today. We're gonna get right to it. We're gonna get right behind the wall very quickly because there is a lot to discuss. We're gonna go over a little bit about what the halving is, why it's here, why it's changing everything, what it's doing to the markets, what it's going to do to Bitcoin. And then we're going to walk through a little bit about the subsidies of Bitcoin, why they exist, along with some new projects, including some BRC20s that are going to be launching on some pseudo BRC20s, I should say. Totally different thing, actually. Let's just call it a different thing. So we're going to be walking through Bitcoin ordinals and some BRC20 type things and protocols that could be pretty innovative and a space to watch, only because I know we've talked a lot about what could happen on Ethereum, the nature of bringing kind of digital storage to real world assets to Ethereum and that kind of stuff. So we're going to talk about it on Bitcoin today and why that's going to be different than everything else. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to get to it. First off, first things first, if you have any questions really quickly, put those in the chat and we should address those. But yeah, happy halving day to y'all. So it looks like 63 blocks remaining, 11 hours and 1 minute. Halving day is upon us, April 19th for most of the world, April 20th for some of the world, and it is halving day. So this is the second halving day. Wait, what? Of my whole or my what? Is this what? Is this? If this is my second halving, is it my whole or my? Okay, never mind. I'm not even. I don't even know what that means. Sorry. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Dr. Dan. Good morning, Paula. BD Mills. Good morning, Richard. Hey, what's up, Dell? Lisa, Kathy, Blanca, Joseph. Got some orders from Sean. Here we go. Ardelan. Everybody else, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get through these things. Holy cow. Not sure if you guys saw the markets yesterday. Let's see if I can get some market. Hold on. Let me see if I can get some market coverage up here. We can kind of go through that right off the bat without going into much detail. But yesterday, oh crap. Hold on. Let me change the size of my. Let's go to not daily. Let's go to like a 30-minute chart. Let's zoom that up and down. Here we go. Because this is interesting too as we kind of go through today's stuff and what we're going to talk about today. Yesterday, huge sell-off in the evening as Israel decided they were going to attack Iran. Then this morning, I believe it was this morning, Iran's like, well, we're not going to attack back. Anyway, those kind of things playing into the market sentiment a little bit. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Halving day is upon us. Yes. Is Nick doing? No. I mean, he's doing it, but not right now. So that's that. All right. So anyway, halving day is upon us. So if there's no questions, we're going to go behind the wall pretty quickly because there's a lot that I want to hit. And I feel like that's just for like digital investors. So let's hit that. Yeah, take advantage of these dips. Only because in theory, in a bull market, guys, in a bull market, if we zoom all the way out here and we go back to some other bull markets, let's look at, and we're going to go in this in detail here in a second, but I mean, a bull market, you'll have dips along the way, but the trend is usually always pretty decently up. So this is May 2020. So this is the last halvings right here ish. You know, and like really after the halving, and I said this before on the show, it didn't dip below I think 0.4% was the lowest it got after the halving down. So it went up and there's a dip, take advantage, up, dip, take advantage, up, little dip, 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 dip. But every time there's a dip in a bull market, it was always like a buying opportunity to take advantage. The only thing that's a little bit different here, obviously, is the world is a stage of political things going on. So back and forth. And I guess you never know what's gonna happen to cause the black swan events that could take over and start to manipulate the markets stronger than the actual markets are manipulating the markets. So anyway, so that's pretty interesting. So we'll kind of watch that. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's get locked up here. We're gonna go behind the wall here. Let me go. Let's see. Delete that. Let's see. Oh, how come I can't remove it? Wait. Oh, yeah, I can. Okay. Remove that. Remove that. Easy peasy. Boom, 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 boom. Remove that. Remove that.